this idea in between visible and invisible has been a key component to my practice. I actually use this idea of a circle a lot within my work. I like circles, and I use this idea and the shape of circle quite a bit in different projects as both a conceptual and practical basis. My name is Kanni. I'm an artist based in Vancouver. And I used to be an employee of Vancouver Art Gallery many years ago. And since then, I have witnessed the wall of the galleries getting painted in multiple colors in a number of times. I have been always really curious about what's behind those colors that you see in the wall and come up with the idea to reveal some of the colors just to investigate things that happened in the past. Certain color triggers certain memories. And when I realized that that yellow is 2014, because it's the yellow for Ian Wallace show, that was really exciting. So it's kind of like, because there's a little bit of history and a little bit of studies involved in the process, it becomes something you can measure. In this case, I'm treating the gallery as my studio. I could see my practice as something that has a performative element, or I could also just say that it may involve durations. The practice is taking a really long time, and we are really visible. So we are getting a lot of different feedback. People are passing by, going up to the upper floor galleries. Almost everyone immediately understands that I am going back in time, that I'm sanding the wall, and then the color is the result of me processing the wall in a way that I'm processing. But everyone has doubts, so they always ask, they always ask, is it what I think it is? And I go, yes, exactly what you think it is. I guess I'm gambling a little bit on something that is not predictable, but maybe that's why people like to gamble. Maybe that's where the excitement comes in. Without unknown, everything is predictable, and predictable things are boring. So to spice up our life, there has to be something unknown all the time. I hope the work becomes something memorable.